Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a Honda Amaze who has come to our department for the installation of the brand new Woodman Mark 1. Now, this is the flagship variant of the Woodman stereo car system, and it also comes with not only one but two cameras, one in the front and one in the back. So I'll just give you a quick look of the cameras here. As you can see, if I go to the camera, this is the back camera which helps you in parking and everything, and this is the front camera. So basically, this front camera acts as a dash cam, provides you with security proof and any accidental damages that may happen with your car. And for the back camera is basically for the parking, right? So when you want to park, you can see the directions of the parking, which will help you greatly in parking. Now, this Woodman Mark 1 comes with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity with your devices.